Hey, so if you want to save time and work faster, yeah, using templates with Notion AI can completely improve your workflow. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can use ready-made structures and let the AI generate content for you. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Notion and go to the template gallery to explore different templates. You'll find options for tasks, notes, writing, and more. Next, choose a template based on your needs. Yeah, like a content planner, meeting notes, or project tracker. Once you open the template, customize it according to your workflow by editing sections and fields. Now use Notion AI to generate content inside the template. Uh, whether it's writing text, summarizing information, or creating ideas. You can reuse templates for repetitive tasks, yeah, which saves a lot of time because you don't have to start from zero each time. You can also create your own templates based on your daily workflow and save them for future use. Make sure to organize your templates properly uh, so you can access them quickly whenever needed. And the best part is combining structured templates with AI generation, which helps you work faster and more efficiently. So, yeah, that's how to use Notion AI templates for faster work. Once you start using this approach, you'll notice a big improvement in your productivity. Hey,